thus far have highly contributed to the drop in the inflation rate. In an interview with Prime Business News, Mr. Chisanga says the drop in inflation rate will have a positive impact on the economy as the price index will not be difficult to handle. John's Chilikazi now reports.
Inflation is a measure rate of prices of goods and services in an economy. Inflation is the rate at which the value of a currency is falling and consequently the level of prices of goods and services rising. Inflation can occur when prices rise due to increase in production of costs such as raw materials and wages.
Zambia's inflation rate has dropped from 19.3% to 16.4%. Financial analyst Kelvin Sanga says the decisions by the New Dawn government have contributed to the drop.
Some of these have actually been compounding factors to what is currently obtaining on the ground. When you look at it in a very different perspective, we know that certain policies have come to be destructive in that they are, fostering a good positive, feel in that we actually see that it's out of certain things that have actually happened currently, which have also triggered what we are able to see. Top of the thing that I would tell you that there has been a reduced political risk, which is actually gravitating goodwill in the market from the portfolio investors and a few other players in the market.
He adds that the rate at which the inflation is will have a positive impact on the economy. He says there will be a good balance in the price index.
The issue to do with the inflation heading downward or decreasing, it is a good signal because it's basically going to stabilize the pricing model in the market, and in that also it's going to create an healthy economic growth path, which we are expecting to have. And once we have a level where we're going to have a single digit, maybe by 2027, of 7% projected, it will actually be able to help us to actually get some good economic outlook. And from there, we should be able to say that Zambia is heading now to a potential making figure in that we're going to see the nation going back to the way it used to perform in 2011, 2012, somewhere there. I think that there was a good euphoria in terms of economic performance.
Inflation is viewed as positive when it helps boost consumer demand and consumption, driving economic growth.